Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Uswa College, Islamabad. Dear student, this is our next lecture for the class 9th. Introduction to computer. To introduce about computer, I already gave some lecture, but this is a proper lecture about the introduction to computer. Now, the basic definition of computer. Computer is an electronic device which takes data as input, process on that input and shows the result as output. Dear student, this is the block diagram of a computer in which computer is they are showing that the input, number 2, and the process, and number 3 is output. Today's world an information rich world, and it has become necessary to everyone to know about the computer. A computer is general purpose programmable machine. This is the next short definition. A computer is a general purpose programming machine. Computer is an advanced electronic device that takes raw data as input from the user. Input I have already explained about the input devices like the keyboard, mouse. These are the input devices. Computer takes data and process on the following the instruction from the keyboard or from the user and shows the result. That is, the result shows on the computer screen in the form of hard copy or the soft copy. Evolution of computer. Dear student, this topic belongs to the evolution of a computer, means this is the history of computer. Number 1, evolution of a computer means how the computer evolved from the first mechanical device abacus to the till now, right now. Abacus. Number 1 is abacus. Abacus was the earliest calculating device, most probably invented in the China. It was considered of the wooden. It was a wooden frame having the parallel rods, and these rods were used for the calculation. Dear student, you must know about your computer. The purpose of a computer, basic need of computer was that to find the calculation, to calculate the large number of data. In the abacus, it performs addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It has been used in the China, some other Asian countries till and this 20th century till 20th century. Next is the Napier-Bone. Napier-Bone, the Scottish mathematician. Again, this is the next step in which a Scottish mathematician calculating the invented a device known as calculating device called the Napier-Bone. It consisted of wooden box. It was a wooden box rotating a cylinders, each of which had the digits from 0 to 9, and this was also used for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, but on the larger scale. Pascaline. Blaise Pascal. It was named Pascaline, name of the scientist Blaise Pascal, French mathematician, invented the calculator machine called the Pascaline in 1642 when he was only 19 years old. Pascaline used rotating wheels as shown in the figure number 1.4. These are the rotating wheels, and it was also used for the calculating. Till the computer was used for the calculating. There are the calculating wheels, and each wheel was used for 0 to 9 calculations. Calculations were performed by the rotating the wheels. When one wheel completes the rotation, the next wheel move one by one, and the digit will be automatically calculated. Difference engine and analytical engine. Now, this is the next step for the computer growth. In 1822, the English mathematician Charles Babbage started working on the big calculator machine about the size of the room. he called the difference engine. He created a difference engine, but it was a large number of size, almost about the of a room size. Babbage worked for many years on this machine, but he could not complete it. Later on, he came up with the idea of analytical engine. This was the idea of base analytical engine. He could not complete it because the technology was not advanced through, but he laid the foundation stone of the modern digital computer. Today's modern digital computer are based on the idea of analytical engine. It's mean we can say that the Charles Babbage is the basic idea about the modern computer. Charles Babbage known as the father of modern digital computer. Next is Halloran desk. In 1890, Hermann Horace built a tabulating machine called Horace desk. As shown in the figure number 1.6, this is the basic figure of the Horace desk. This is also used for the calculation, but there are some modification in it. The machine was invented to help with the census in 1890 in the America. Basically, this is also used for calculation, large number of calculation. Horace desk considered of a card reader which sends the holes in the cards. Whenever he calculate, there a gear driven mechanism which could not and large set of the dial indicators to display the result. After building Horace desk, Horace started a company by the name of Tabulating Machine Company. Eventually, this company changed its name to International Business Machine (IBM). This is a modern IBM. Next is slide rule. Based on the idea of the logarithm, English mathematician William Oatkins developed a device called slide rule, shown in the figure. This is the diagram of a slide rule. In 1614, it was very useful for solving problems that involved the multiplication and division. Now, this is the next condition. It has three parts. Higher order, we can say that it was used to solve the higher order values. Three parts: slide rules and transparent slide cursor. Next, Mark I. The next successful computing machine invented was a digital computer as Mark I. Digital computer, nowadays we are using the computer, is a latest digital computer. Now, the base of this digital computer was Mark I. It was invented by Howard Aiken in 1944. Mark I could add three numbers having 8 digits in 1 second. It was totally related to the speed of calculation. It could print out its result on the punch card or on the electric typewriter. Now, this was the modification about the computer. Now, we were able to find the output as using the typewriter. Mark I was 50 feet long, 8 feet high, and weighed about 5 tons. It was very high weight of 5 tons. It used 3000 electric switches. There was Mark I uses number of switches in the computer, like known as the count of these switches was 3000. Moreover, Mark I modified this computer. Next was Mark II, Mark III, and Mark IV were also built under supervision of the Howard Aiken with extended capabilities. Since the computer solution is a continuous process, it has not stopped in the modern era. Now, the systems are being developed to provide the voice recognition. Next modification was the voice recognition and understanding the natural language, and high performance computing HPC is being used in today data centers for the fast data processing. High performance computing is the use of parallel processing for running advanced application programs efficiently. Next is cloud computing, which is nowadays very important for cloud computing has introduced. This was the basic idea of cloud computing. In the simplest term, cloud computing means store and accessing data and programs over the internet instead of the computer hardware. You can store your data in your email ID, in your drive, and then you can access in all over the world by using the username and ID and password. The current advantages in the computer technology is likely to transform computer into intelligent machine having thinking power. This was the totally related to the power. The evolution of the computer will probably continue till their processing capabilities have become equal to human intelligence. Dear student, this topic was totally belongs to your history of computer and how computer nowadays computer was built and how many modifications were done in this computer. First of all, I explain about the definition of a computer, then evolution of a computer. Evolution means history of a computer. I explain about the abacus, then Napier-Bone, after that Pascaline and the Pascaline, after that difference engine, analytical engine, and next was holiday tasks and slide rules, and last was the Mark I, which was the founder of the digital computer. Nowadays we are also using a digital computer. Now this is your next lecture, and in this is a lecture. In next lecture I will explain about the generation of a computer.